Did you know that two of the most powerful healing oils in the world, castor oil and black seed oil, can be combined to create a life-changing remedy that has been used for centuries? These two oils alone have been hailed as natural miracles, but when used together, their effects become even more profound. I'm Barbara O'Neill, and I'll be showing you how to enjoy the numerous health benefits of the combination, from pain relief to immune system support. Number 1, the natural pain relief secret no one told you about. Pain and inflammation slow you down, making everyday life harder than it should be. As we grow older, there are many sources of pain in the body. It could be from stiff joints in arthritis, sore muscles after working out, or lingering aches from nerve pain. Whatever the source, relief shouldn't come at the cost of harmful medications. So, if you love natural health solutions like me, then you're in for a treat with this combo. Castor oil provides many deep tissue health benefits, and black seed oil helps you fight pain and promotes healing. Combining both oils creates a perfect natural remedy that doesn't only mask the pain, but also helps your body heal from within. You may be wondering how this duo can be so effective. For starters, castor oil is not just an old school remedy. It's packed with ricinoleic acid. This is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory compound that can penetrate deep into muscles and joints. It is able to increase blood flow, reduce swelling, and relieve stiffness. This is why it's been used for arthritis, muscle pain, and even menstrual cramps for centuries. Plus, it helps your body detox by promoting lymphatic drainage, so you're not just masking the pain, you're helping your body heal. On the other hand, black seed oil is equally loaded with thymoquinone, which is a potent antioxidant and anti-Semitic compound that blocks pain pathways and helps to reduce oxidative stress. Researchers have even seen that it can also help with nerve pain and osteoarthritis. Imagine the massive relief this would give anyone struggling with chronic discomfort. Here's where things get exciting. When you mix both castor oil and black seed oil, their benefits skyrocket. Castor oil enhances absorption, and black seed oil relieves pain. Both contain compounds that will go deep into the affected areas to give faster relief, better mobility, and long-term healing. Now let's break down how to prepare and apply the mixtures correctly for effective pain relief. The first step is to add 1 tablespoon of cold pressed castor oil to 1 tablespoon of pure black seed oil. If you'd like an extra cooling effect with your mixture, you can also add a few drops of peppermint or eucalyptus oil for an extra cooling effect. Next, you need to warm up the mixture by placing it in a small bowl of hot water for a few minutes. Stick to this indirect heating method, as direct heat can reduce the oil's healing properties when the temperature is too high. Once the mixture is warm enough, massage it into the sore points. Apply directly to sore joints, muscles, or inflamed areas using circular motions for 5-10 minutes. This will boost circulation and promote absorption. One more step I will recommend you take to lock in the relief is to cover the area with a warm towel or heating pad. Leave it for another 15-20 minutes in order to deepen penetration and enhance the effects. Do this daily, at least once or twice, for the best results. If you are suffering from arthritis, then I recommend you apply it before bedtime for overnight relief. If your target is muscle recovery, I recommend you apply it post-workout to ease any soreness. For those who experience nerve pain, you can combine it with gentle stretching to release tension in the affected area. And if you have recurrent headaches and migraines, go ahead and massage a small amount onto your temples and the back of your neck. This is just one out of the 4 health-transforming wonders of this combination that I intend to share with you in this video. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last one I will be sharing is a real lifesaver. Now that we've tackled pain relief, let's talk about how this blend can cleanse your system and improve digestion. Number 2, a natural detox that transforms your digestion. Your gut is the foundation of your health. Yet modern diets, stress and toxins can throw it off balance. Bloating, sluggish digestion and toxin build-up leave you feeling drained. The potent mixture of black seed oil and castor oil does a lot more than just relieve pain. It is also a gentle but powerful agent that helps to flush out toxins and restore gut health. The two oils work together to cleanse, heal and reset your digestive system for better energy, digestion and overall wellness. One of the many benefits of castor oil is that it can act as a gut cleanser. It is a well-known natural laxative and detoxifier. Castor oil helps to stimulate bowel movements and helps to flush out all sorts of wastes from the body. Castor oil's rich ricinoleic acid content helps with intestinal contractions, and this effectively reduces constipation and bloating naturally. Another benefit is that the oil boosts both lymphatic drainage and bile production. These activities ensure your liver efficiently removes toxins from your system. The second oil in our powerful blend is even more important for your gut health. While castor oil cleanses the gut, black seed oil promotes healing and restoration in the gut. This ancient super oil produces effects that help fight bacteria and reduce inflammation. It helps to regulate gut bacteria, eliminating harmful pathogens while nurturing beneficial microbes. That's not all. Inflammation in the gut lining causes bloating, cramping and discomfort. When swallowed, this mixture soothes the inflammation and resolves the cramping and discomfort. When we talk about liver function, we mean how well your liver is performing. The black seed oil component of our mixture actively supports liver function. It does this by reducing oxidative stress in the liver and by preventing fat from accumulating in the liver. That means you'll never experience congestion or constipation again. This is why they're so potent in the gut when combined. Together, castor oil and black seed oil supercharge each other's effects. They help cause a powerful digestive reset. They flush out toxins, optimize gut health, and enhance liver detoxification. These effects help you feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. You too can learn how to prepare this powerful elixir and apply it on your own in 4 easy steps. You need half a teaspoon of high-quality black seed oil and 1 full tablespoon of castor oil. The first step is to mix them together in a small bowl. Then apply it topically by massaging the mixture onto your abdomen using circular motions. When you do, try to focus on the areas where the liver and intestines are located. It's above the stomach, on the right side, just under the rib and below the stomach. Next, cover with a warm compress or heating pad for about 30 minutes. This will stimulate blood circulation and absorption. To optimize the positive impact on your gut health, always hydrate with plenty of water. This helps to flush out toxins. You also need to eat clean by loading up on fibre-rich foods. Try leafy greens, flax seeds and chia seeds to support digestion. Cut out processed foods, excess sugar and unhealthy fats to prevent gut imbalances. Let's see how many of you are committed to trying this. If you're going to test out this powerful oil combo, type "I'm in" the comments below. Number 3, the ultimate hair growth formula. A dry, itchy scalp and thinning hair are frustrating, especially when you've tried expensive treatments and failed. The good news is that the same powerful oil blend that cleanses your gut can also help you solve that problem. It can restore your scalp's natural balance and stimulate hair growth. The castor oil and black seed oil mixture deeply hydrates and nourishes the hair follicles. This creates the perfect environment for stronger, shinier and thicker hair. The reason this combo works like magic for hair growth is that castor oil's thick, nutrient-rich consistency locks in moisture. This prevents dryness, breakage and split ends. It is perfect for damaged, brittle or colour-treated hair that needs extra nourishment. The ricinoleic acid improves blood circulation in the scalp, thereby causing more oxygen and nutrients to flow to the scalp and promoting faster and healthier hair growth. The black seed oil supports the castor oil's effects with its antibacterial and antifungal properties. It helps to tackle dandruff, flakiness, and itchy scalp issues at the source. It helps to turn dry, irritated scalps into a clean, healthy environment for hair to thrive. Hair strands with weak roots tend to fall out, but black seed's thymoquinone is a powerful antioxidant that strengthens hair follicles and reduces breakage. If you have either an oily scalp or a dry scalp, this combo will help you regulate your natural sebum levels, preventing clogged follicles and flakiness. It gives you a balanced, healthy scalp that encourages steady hair growth. Now, the fun part, preparing and applying it on your own. You create the ultimate hair oil by first mixing 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of black seed oil in a small bowl. If you want an extra boost, you can add a few drops of rosemary or peppermint essential oils, as both are scientifically proven to accelerate hair growth too. Next, apply the castor oil and black seed oil mixture to your hair by rubbing it in and using your fingertips to gently massage the oil into your scalp for 5-10 minutes. This will stimulate blood circulation to your scalp and enhance the absorption of the nutrients. If you have dry, brittle hair, apply the oil to mid-lengths and ends to prevent split ends and boost shine. After that, just leave the oil treatment on for at least 1 hour or overnight for deep nourishment and let it work its magic. I also recommend you cover your hair with a shower cap or warm towel to enhance penetration. Finally, you can use a mild, sulfate-free shampoo to remove the oil. You may need 2 washes to fully rinse it out. Use this treatment 2-3 times a week for noticeable improvements in hair texture, thickness, and growth. If you have ever tried this powerful combo on your hair before, please share your experience with us in the comments and let others in the community learn from you too. Next up, it's time to discover how this rich oil blend strengthens your immune system and keeps you protected from illnesses. Number 4, a natural shield for your immune system. A strong immune system is your body's best defense against illness, and if you want a stronger immune system, then this is the ultimate oil therapy for you. Our immune system is constantly under attack from toxins, stress, poor diet, and environmental pollutants. Combining black seed and castor oil is one of the most reliable ways to supercharge your body's defences. You can do this naturally without any reliance on drugs or synthetic medication. This powerhouse combination will help you fight infections, detoxify your system, and keep your immune system in peak condition. The black seed oil's active component, thymoquinone, is a powerful compound that stimulates white blood cell production. These cells are your body's first line of defense against infections, and thymoquinone supercharges their production in the blood. Secondly, you have a lymphatic system, which acts like a waste removal highway for your immune system. When you apply this mixture topically, it stimulates lymphatic circulation, flushing out toxins and keeping your immune response strong. Inflammation is the root cause of many illnesses in the body. Fortunately, however, both black seed and castor oils contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds. Together, they help calm the body, reduce stress on the immune system, and prevent disease. Also, when it comes to colds, flu, microbial action, or viral infections, you can rely on them. They provide natural protection against harmful invaders directly before they take hold in the system. When free radicals attempt to build up in your system to weaken immune cells and speed up aging, they are up to the task as well. The antioxidants loaded up in black seed oil help to shield your body from oxidative damage and keep your immune system strong. There are 3 separate methods by which you could prepare and use this oil mixture when it comes to immunity and fighting diseases. For use as a daily internal immune boost, mix half a teaspoon of both oils in warm tea, or mix it with raw honey for a natural infection-fighting impact. For extra benefits, you can add fresh lemon juice, which is rich in vitamin C, to amplify immune defence. The second method is to prepare it a bit differently for topical application. I actually recommend a topical application for detox and lymphatic activation. Simply massage the oil mixture onto your abdomen, focusing on the liver area to stimulate the lymphatic system. Then apply a warm compress or heating pad for 30 to 45 minutes to enhance detoxification and circulation. Repeat this process 2-3 times a week for optimal immune benefits. The third method is the steam inhalation method for those who want to boost their respiratory health. Just add a few drops of the oil mixture to a bowl of hot water and inhale the steam to clear congestion and fight respiratory infections. For extra relief, rub a small amount of oil blend mixed with coconut oil onto your chest to ease breathing during colds and flu. I can promise you that by adding castor oil and black seed oil to your wellness routine, you'll be giving your body the natural support it needs to fight off infections, detoxify, and stay resilient all year long. We've covered 4 incredible ways to use castor oil and black seed oil together for pain relief, detoxification, hair growth, and immune support. But remember, using high-quality, organic, cold-pressed oils is key to getting the best results. If you want a step-by-step guide on how 1 spoon of olive oil a day helps to melt fat and boost your brain power, then you need to watch my next video. I'll be revealing this little-known health secret and the scientific studies that will help you understand this breakthrough and optimize your health. Click the link on the screen or in the description now, and I'll see you there.